Mina Tranyati. I'm the Provincial Manager for National AIDS Council of Bulawayo Province. We are still battling the national multi-sectoral response to HIV and AIDS. At this point where we think we are winning the battle, we are actually having other challenges that are coming forth. These are teen pregnancies. We are actually having a lot of young girls getting pregnant. And I'm talking about girls that are below the 18 years. For example, in Bulawayo in 2024, we recorded over 2,400 girls. And our worry now is when a teen is pregnant, they will not think of going to the hospital to register and to be enrolled in the prevention of mother-to-child protection. The adolescents are busy hiding the pregnancy. So they can only report in our institutions during labor and delivery. And most of it will be late to protect the child. So we are actually saying, for example, if we are going to say 2,400 girls were pregnant and they did not enroll in PMTCT, so it means 2,000 times the mothers and the babies can be HIV positive. So it means we are heading for a great disaster. Even the gains that we have realized now, we might lose everything. So we want to encourage the parent-to-child communication. We also encourage the gatekeepers to look after adolescents and young people within their communities. That's why National AIDS Council, we are implementing the Not in My Village, Not in My Constituents, Not in My School, Not in My Church campaign, where we are saying we need to fight gender-based violence, teen pregnancy, HIV transmission, and STIs within our communities.